Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, I am going to solve week 10 assignment of ethical hacking. So friends, let's see the first question. Question number 1. Which of the following is true for black box texting kind of attack? The options are: it is an invasive type of attack, it is a non-invasive type of attack, the attacker has information about the implementation details, and it relies on weakness of implementation. Here option B and C will be the correct answer. Okay, so I select option B and C. Now moving into the next question, question number 2. What are the countermeasures to prevent hardware based attacks? Options are: A. We obfuscate data in registers and buses. We add preventive measures against side channel attacks. We provide authentication using physical unclonable functions, and we use a very secure cryptographic algorithm. Here option A, B and C will be the answer. Okay, so I select option A, B, C. Now question number 3. Which of the following statements is true for side channel attacks? The options are: they exploit some weakness in the algorithm. Option B, they exploit some weakness in the implementation of the algorithm. Option C, they require physical access to the device. And option D, they only require the set of inputs or outputs to the algorithm. Here option B and C will be the answer. Okay, so I select option B and C. Now moving into the next question, question number 4. Which of the following side channels is typically exploited in side channel attacks? The options are: A. Electromagnetic emission. Option B. Time taken to execute an algorithm. Option C. The time and space complexities of an algorithm. Option D. Power consumed during computation. Here option A, option B and option D will be the answer. A, B and D. Okay, so I select A, B and D. Now get into the next question, question number 5. For modular exponentiation computation of x to the power 17, how many squaring and multiplication operations would be required? The options are: A. 4 and 4, option 4 and 2, option C 3 and 2, option D 3 and 1 and none of these. The answer will be none of these. But how? Let's check the answer. First we have to convert 17 into binary. So we can write 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So in binary that will be 1, 0 0 0 1, and that will become 17. Okay, 16 plus 1, correct. So we can write x to the power 16 into x to the power 1. Only we can take this one and this part. This is not required, or we can neglect this. Okay. Okay. So now we have to squaring up x to the power 16. So we can write x to the power 8 square into x to the power 1. Again we can write 4 square and square into x to the power 1. Okay. Again we can write square square whole square and square into. So you can check the squaring number is 1 2 3 4. How many squaring is there? 4, and multiplication, that is 1. So we need 4 squaring and 1 multiplication, but this option not available in this answer. Okay, so answer will be none of these. Okay. Okay, so I select option E. Now moving into the question number 6. What does power analysis do? Options are A. It measures variation in power consumption during a computation. It attacks the power supply and feeds power to the circuit. It relies on the use of hardware trojan in the circuit. Okay, the answer will be it measures variation in power consumption during a computation. Okay, so I select option A. Now get into the question number 7. Which of the following strategies can help to prevent power analysis attacks? The options are: the computation times in the different branches of conditional statements must be unequal. That is not correct. The computation times in the different branches of conditional statements must be the same. That is correct. And we can use a random noise generator in the circuit. That is also correct. We obfuscate the scans chains in the circuit. That is not correct. So here B and C will be the answer. Okay. Now get into the next question. Question number 8. What is the meaning of PUF? And that is physically unclonable function. Option B. Okay, so I select option B. Now question number 9. Which of the following is a true for hardware trojan? The options are: it incurs small hardware overhead, it is stealthy and usually circuit to detect, it relies on a number of malicious nodes to mount attacks, it is used to reduce power consumption. So here option A and B will be the answer. Okay, so I select A and B. Now question number 10, which is the last question of this assignment. What are some of the software based countermeasures to prevent timing based side channel attack? The options are: use a structured programming language for implementation, mask the data representation, introduce redundant computation as required. Here option A will be the answer. Use a structured programming language for implementation. Okay, and option B and C, the both countermeasures to prevent power analysis attack. Okay, so answer will be A. So friends, I have completed this assignment. Hope this benefited you. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment if any, and press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.